Our broad portfolio of solutions and controls is built on a foundation of innovation and expertise. Global packaged units, cassette and ducted. These units are designed to handle the toughest environments with ease. They are built to provide a high cooling performance even in up to 56 degrees centigrade ambient temperature. Unique built-in drain pan minimizes dust and water leakage, and their long piping and large height difference ensures high flexibility in installation configuration. The super tough Golden Fin can withstand the salty air, rain, and other corrosive elements with ease. York products undergo performance and reliability testing that is unmatched in our industry, thus ensuring energy savings and durable performance for years to come. Award-winning York products are designed, engineered, and built in the USA with state-of-the-art quality processes and proven through some of the toughest quality control and real-world tests. York residential products are consistently recognized for quality of workmanship, outstanding value, and reliability. York products are built with user-friendly features which help save energy, ensure sustainability, simplify maintenance, and create a more comfortable and sustainable building environment at home and work.